journey to show the theme Living in Harmony with Nature. We look forward to watch them grow and learn as they take their first steps towards a sustainable and harmonious future. Let's all join in to support and celebrate this amazing adventure together.
Audio Jungle.